Look, you run with the ball, yeah, back and then you ship or move. That second or that time usabhekana nebhola ukuthi ku ispace isiyavaleka lapha, the left center back. Now look at where uPogenpoel ukuthi ukuphi. Remember in the first clip, he was here. This guy moves in here, uPogenpoel uzoza la. Angithi sharp. But is it a good idea? Because look at uMoremi uyampress. Look at Serino, ball goes back. Angithi no communication whatsoever. These two, Undaba, why are you? Angithi bo press la. Angithi this guy could have easily passed the ball here. Angithi okay, sharp. He still goes and press there. Look at the space in here. Marabafethu. Sugar. Back. Now they go in attack. Ngiyashodisa for into engekho. Sanibonani, welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Orlando Pirates 2, Durban City 1. Today's video, I'm going to show you why Pirates struggled a little bit, right? Durban City played very well. Their formation, it was a good formation, but eventually came my Chubega. The Pirates saw with Durban City. I'm also going to show you why UCBC is very important to Orlando Pirates. Yeah, I know Guti, he's not delicious manga pretty ball, right? But he's very important when it comes to communication. When it comes to defending, now let's start. We're gonna start as always. We're gonna look at how both teams were structured, right? As we all know, Pirates plays a 4-2-3-1, 4-2-3-1, 4 defenders, 2 midfielders, right? A double pivot. Then you have Apolis, you have Apolis, no Moremi wide, but tucking in, paying as half 10. Then you have Utito as a 10. Then you have Umbutuma as a striker, right? Durban City, let me take it back. Durban City, we're playing a 4-3-2-1, but sometimes it would change to be a 4-5-1. I'll show you. Video might continue, alright? So in this case, this is when Pirates had the ball first 7 minutes of the game. Could have played the ball Usibelebele could have played the ball behind the defenders. Remember, for us to score, it's either we go through the middle, we go around or over. This was an opportunity for Pirates to go around the defense. Look at Police making that run. Could have played the ball there. Siyahamba siya attack. I'm a bit worried. To be honest, I'm a bit worried for Orlando Pirates. They don't have a lot of creativity in their game. They don't have creativity any. Now the second clip. Pirates has the ball, right? And then Durban City is a counter. So I say the 3 in the middle, 2 here, and the striker. And it's a Durban City. Now, the left back will come and press here. They win the ball. Now, we have to do with Abafethu. You cannot, you cannot be a winger. You can't run with the ball. Ibola uyalishiya emuva. Waste isikhathi. Look, you run with the ball. Back and then you ship or move. That second or that time usabhekana nebhola ukuthi ku ispace isiyavaleka lapha. iPirates yenzani iyabuya because this guy was making a run there. The striker was making a run la. Could have played the ball there, but ibola ulazi ukuthi likuphi mfana kithi usalifuna mara. Final clip of how both teams were structured. And Pirates has the ball la bayabuya by 5. Like I said ukuthi kahle if ibhola, not ibhola, right? If midfielder yabo is this side, they become 5. But as soon as they push up, baba this side, they become a 3 and a 2 and a 1. Ball goes to the left, Pirates, they press, midfielder goes back. Angithi. What they wanted to do, they wanted to have these 3. But Maba attacker, what they did, they had this guy pushing Ezala when they were attacking. Pokhenpulu yenzani uyabuya uza kuphi with the 5 in the middle. Still Pirates has the ball. Angithi. Press. Pirates tries to play long. They were closing in Pirates down in the middle. Like you Pirates, if you want to not beat them, but if you want to stop them, you have to close down the passing lanes in the middle. Bangadlali police la phakathi nendawo or Murray. Durban City created their own problems. Created the problems for themselves. Even no goal. But this is not a goal. This is a chance that the Pirates had. It was a very, very difficult chance, Pirates. Now, we had the ball there. Then we give it away. And we give it away. Emuva, slele la. Great cross la paya from Mutid. But we cannot be defending a corner kick. We defend it well. But at the same time, as it is Yapuma, we lose it. Because the moment we lose the ball, this is what I always say. People forget about abanye abantu. If the ball goes this side, or even if people are lezang up, bebazo with the other side. I don't know what happens. People just rush to push up, and because this was a great pass, great cross from Mutid, but Umbuthuma I think he should have left it. He should have left the ball for Usibisi. It's very difficult. And no, it's very difficult to score ibola it is very difficult. Uzamile, but communication la Usibisi bekumela mtshela ukuthi hey liyekele mfana kithi. Durban City playing out from the back. Ngishilo guys ngithi not every team is good playing out from the back. You need to know why you play out from the back. And then when you see a situation, that's when niyayisebenzisa. Right? Penalty Pirate comes. This is not the clip, but this is the clip before. And ball goes to the left center back. The importance of having a left-footed left center back, because here you look at where Upokhenpul Ugu. You could have played him the ball there. Could have played him the ball because you look at Umuremi, right? In the penalty, Umuremi will precise, but look at where Umuremi is. Upokhenpul Ula, play him the ball. Or if you don't play the ball, Upokhenpul, you play it long, because la it is 2 or it is, let's say it's 4 against 3, sharp. Now the ball goes out, throw in a Pirates. Now let me show you the penalty. Nacha. Now goal kick, goal kick, sharp. It comes to the left center back. Now look at where Upokhenpul Ugu. Remember in the first clip, he was here. This guy moves in here, Upokhenpul Uzozala, sharp. But is it a good idea? Because look at Umuremi, we impressed. But the previous clip, what did he do? He played the ball here. He tried to play the ball there. Do it again because it's free la, right? It's free. Or you can just charge here. But what does he do? He decides to play the ball there. Penalty. Now, it is very difficult to trap the ball while you are running. Very difficult to do that. Maybe you should have played the ball first time. Football is a game of small details. In the 2 clips you see Upokhenpul, in the first clip Upokhenpul, he's around the D line. And in the second clip, he's far away. Just small details in Yana. Ziba second half. Now, Pirates made a substitution. If Durban City didn't go a man down, I don't think UCBC will keep, right? But because they had Durban City had a man down, Pirates leader, they thought it was okay sharp. Right? Let's sickness and injured. Now, Iko Lipuma on the left hand side. I'm going to show you in another video with why UCBC is important. But now, Coach Ward, like, I don't understand. His score, it's 1-1. They're still playing with 4 defenders. They want Lavabaya short. Yeah? What? I'm going to show you later. But now, let's start here. Near goal. Right? Ball from the left to the right hand side. And it's sharp. Mara. Look at this. Let me take it back. Look at Serino. Ball goes back and it's no communication whatsoever. These two, Undaba, why are you? Angitibo presela. Upresela. Why are you pushing? Yeah? Why are you pushing there? Yeah? They played behind. I don't think he saw the guy. I'm gonna take it back. Pagat inside. No communication whatsoever in this case. No communication. Ball from the left to the right hand side. And it's sharp. Now, I don't think he knows Uguti Userino Ukona. But now you're a defender, you're supposed to scare. Because I ask you to why funu press. Uchakalugia Ugyokora. Yeah? Now, communicate, Buffett. One needs to press, or this guy needs to press here, or Umbat. And it's sharp. We don't press. And it's sharp. They play it there. Bah. Now, that small Anyana run towards this guy. Ivulele is space for Userin. Yashibiri. Pagat. Inside. Communication. There's one thing that I saw in this game, they corner last season, which it's not nice. But fair to pass. Okay, Asigalila, sharp. Now, remember I spoke about Uguti Uwadu should have made changes, right? That one Lavabaya short. You have 4 at the back. Why do you have 4? Why don't I keep Undaba and put a second striker? If there's a second striker here, then you have Umuremi playing out here. Because then you have 3 set at the back. If you have 3 set at the back, then when we rotate the ball, then you will have Usbelebele pushing up because they have 1 strike. Then you have 2 central defenders. Then you have 2 double pivot. You have these 2 in here. And it's by a cover. But you have a striker here. You have Umuremi there. Okay, sharp. Let me play the video. Now, when Umuremi comes in here, Undaba should have been here. Right? It's supposed to be like a chain, Buffett. If I push in, you go forward. You understand? Automatically, we are not supposed to be in the same block. You see, right? Because the moment Umuremi cuts in, maybe they should have played hold. The moment Umuremi cuts in, he is supposed to make the run there. He is supposed to be in this block. So that this guy is confused. If I come in here, they play the ball there. If I stay here, then Umuremi's got time and space. With Mabampasi baller, he can turn with the ball. And that's one thing Paris that needs to work on. And it's sharp. Now, what I don't like, what I saw from last season, it is 2 against 1 here. This man is not offside. You decide to take a shot. Give him the ball, Besaya Shire, because there's no defender in front of him. If you pass him the ball, there's no defender in front of him. Upegane no goalkeeper. Back. It's simple. This thing is simple, bafethu. Yes, we know ukuthi you uyakwazi ukushaya and whatnot, but kunomunye umntwana mnikeze. If you watch the game, iDurban City beyizenzela on the left hand side eyePirates. Communication ibalulekile, right? What I don't get is ukuthi we have a man extra, but sometimes we are caught ngathi yithi esishodayo. I don't get it. Now this is totally wrong. Yithi sinomuntu o extra. You cannot have zonal marking. Why are we doing zonal marking? Why are we doing zonal marking when we have a man extra? Yeah, because now it's 2 against 1. You have Umuremi marking in a wrong spot. Utansin begafuna ukuzocover la. Now it's 2 against 1. There is no need for lento le. Angithi uyenzani uShandu, he presses. Good defending there by Uzu. But communication, now he was running away there. Eh? So ukuthi nje neDurban City nje nabo bashota ngesomething, bashota ngeSpice. Angithi nabo baphuma eDurban, mara iSpice abakasithuli. Again, on the left hand side. Now, ngicala la, ibhola lilane. You have Umuremi here, sharp. Nangu Shandu la. Then Umuremi decides to go and press here. Ibhola now it's back in the middle. Jehovah. Now ibhola selimdlulile ibhola manje. He's out of position. This guy could have easily passed the ball here. Okay, sharp. He still goes and press there. Look at the space in here. Marabafethu. Suga. Back. Now they go and attack. Yeah? Nyashotisa for intengeko. Now, sharp. It's 2 against 2. La. Now, Undaba is coming here to press. Now, Mpanagit trying to play an offside trap. Ushandu should have played the ball. Play the ball. It's 1 against 1. Those are the situations that we want. It's 1 against 1 here. Yeah. Sizobatesta nini. Yeah? Sizobatesta nini. Okay, he doesn't go with the guy. He decides to stay in here. Why? Now, this guy is free. They make a run there. Okay. Look. Usemuva kwakhe. Cross. So ukuthi nje neDurban City nayo iSpice halal isashota. But another team bezo capitalize la. The communication yaka CBC iyabonakala. Kunamanye ama player when they are around, ne? Uyadlisa. But when he's not there, ngiyabonakala ukuthi man. Yashota ibhodlela. Even though the game went into extra time, Pirates did have a chance, right? Ball goes there. 2 players that are free. Tito on target. Have you noticed? Ama-player sethembisa awakwazi ukushaya ishot. If you look at Tito and you look at uThembazwane, they don't know how to strike the ball. Boy too, angazi kwenzakalani. Another chance, another dollar here Pirates. Ball comes to the left hand side. Sharp. This was a very difficult one. I don't think, let me take it back. It was very difficult because the ball was not in the middle, right? 1, 2, Magaltola. The ball was slightly to his right, so you couldn't pass the ball to his left. Now, the ball is this side. It's not in the middle. 1, 2, You see, now he's facing towards the. He's not positioning himself. Now it's difficult to go to pass it ball so. But maybe if it was about 10-10 or about Mungumeni, because Shah is 10, right? Heel extension. Now sharp. Durban City clears the ball, and the let's keep the ball. Balthatha. Siyabanika balifuna. Okay, sharp. This was a great chance, Pirates. Ba! Great shot. Great defending. Great defending. Could have done better next time as a player. But I've noticed Europe. Ibhola mali makuyichance so badlala emoyeni, it becomes difficult for a defender ukuthi help block. But let's give credit to Durban City for defending that chance. Otherwise it can be pity. One of the things that I see with Pirates is, which I don't like, they don't like to rotate the ball. You have to recycle the ball, especially if nidlala ne team a short time. If by a shorter, the ball needs to touch the right back, it needs to touch the left back. If we rotate the ball, space is ovuleka phakathi. But bona bathanda ukushaya. Yes, there's nothing wrong with ukushaya, right? But you have to be patient. Patience, bafethu. Yeah? We win the ball in the middle, angithi. Sharp. Singayiforce imreme mfana kithi. Ibhola alibuye la. Angithi. The ball, go take the ball that side. Usafuna ukulibuyisela ka left. Rotate the ball. When you rotate the ball, now ibhola alithinte this person here. Because if you shoot, let's say you shoot, ne? You shoot. I'm not saying shooting is a bad idea. You shoot, but uyehlisa pressure because ibhola lingaphumela ngaphandle or goalkeeper I'll say. But you put the ball there. You put the ball there. Ispace izovuleka. Eh? No lunga nayo you rotate the ball bafethu. We are crossing. Look how many people are in the box. There's no need for us to cross. Let's rotate the ball. Rotate the ball. I'm not saying shooting is a bad idea, but when you rotate the ball, space is here. Ball from the right, these are the left. Skyfall stand up. From the left to the right. Now, there is a lunga there. Then you decide to take your shot. Bah. Great shot. Sharp. Great shot. But the keeper saved the ball. And then the pressure manje yenzani iyayehla instead of to rotate the ball. Now, watch what happens when we rotate the ball. Ibhola liphuma kuphi? Ka right. Liza ka left. Angithi. Skyforce mfana kithi. Now, the ball goes where? To the middle, to the right hand side. Yes, obvious. La ngeke khona ukushaya. So, what do? Rotate the ball. Simple, you pass it there. Look what happens when you pass the ball there. Space is here, we play it there. We almost scored. Sibafaka under pressure. But if sizoshaya outside go D-line or outside the box, they want us to do that. You understand? But if we ball liyahamba lithinta le right back, lithinta left back, ispace siyavuleka for us to play the ball into the spaces. Ulumo scored a beautiful goal, ne? But ngizoyivala this clip. Now, Siema, I think he's just showing why he's the defender of the season. Beautiful first touch, bad second touch, bad third touch, but great recovery there. Great recovery. Now ngiyabona why mfana yithi bakuhambisile natural, because your first touch was beautiful, but your second touch ulisa ka left. Mina ngazi lama player Durban City. Even in the first half, you had the player running with the ball, bese yalishiya mele alipamele. Now you have a striker who push ball ka right, bese liza ka left. Bafethu. Those are the small things that you need to work on as a player. Uyiwani. Manchi mantambama when uyiwani ekuseni, you run with the ball. Right, left. Bafethu. Thank you for watching, bafethu. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Don't selfish. Share this video with other kids. Right? Thank you for watching. Ngiyabonga.